making the missile taillights. This is 3-inch tubing. Cut these sleeves. Took some of the scrap from the side panels on the bed. 16 gauge. Cut them out. Did drill press, step up drill, 1-inch hole, a little bit under 1 inch. And then just took the Dremel. I got a little bit better. You see that one? So I started just cutting straight rather than cutting across to do the line. But it works out great. So these, universal, get the tabs. So they go in perfectly, turn. When they have the little rubber seal, they'll be good. So then, if I can get it out, hard to do it with one hand. So this is the base. So these go right in here. They'll go just like that, with that in there. And then these tubes run a female. In there. Then this will go in there. It'll screw on. I gotta make the fins on here for the missiles, and then they're gonna mount on some connecting rods. So they'll end up be welding on those. This will mount to the bed, holding the 59 Caddy rockets. So getting there. Next up, I just got done doing the caps. So what I'm gonna do is take adhesive. I gotta paint these first, and then I gotta put silicone in there, silicone this in, and then I figure out where it's got to go. I got to drill a hole because I want to run a screw through, and then screw through this sleeve so I can take them out and service, replace the light bulbs and all that. Alright, so 59 Caddy missile lights. So what I did was cut 16 of these. This is 16 gauge. Start off 3-inch tubing. This is a 3-inch by 3-inch inlet adapter. I cut it in half, so I got 2 per adapter. This is 3-inch. This is that 16 gauge sheet. All I did is took this, put it down, drew it on a sheet, cut it off, did a step up drill bit, 1 inch, then used a Dremel to notch these out. So alright, let's see if I can put this together. Oh, here we go. Here is the rocket back of it anyway. So this should go in here, like so. Yep. So there's that. I don't know if you can see that. Okay. Then we got these are the front. So this has to go in here. I still got to make the screws for this. And then this will go onto that. And then this cone gets glued into that. So, like that. Similar to that. So let me put it all together. So, I gotta paint, obviously, these. And then I still gotta work on the mount. Now, the rear I don't have pushed all the way in. This was a, I forgot, it was a 3-inch. It was 2 3/4. So, what was that right there? 2.5-inch round. So this is 2.5 inch round. With the seal, it's 2 3/4. So if you get a 3-inch inlet or 3-inch ID, 3-inch OD is 2 3/4 ID, which is what this is, the rubber seal. So that goes in and that'll pop in. This also lights up yellow, so that'll be used as my marker lights, as you can see, and then that'll be my tail lights. So that's pretty much it right there. I'll have 2 on each side mounted to some connecting rods. That'll be interesting. Just 59 Caddy rockets.
Let's keep the lights out for this one, all right? If I do one, baby, 1 in 5, no one here gets out alive now. You get yours, mama, I'll get mine. Gonna make it, baby, if we try, yeah. The old get old and the young get stronger. May take a week and it may take longer. They got the guns, but we got the numbers. Gonna win, yeah, we're taking over. Come on. Yo, ballroom days, they're over, baby. Night is drawing near. Shadows of the evening crawl across the year. You walk across the floor with the flower in your hand, trying to tell me no one understands. Trading you hours for a handful of dimes. Gonna make it, baby, in our prime. Get together one more time. Get together one more time. Get together one more time. Get together. Get together one more time. 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 Get together, got to get together, got to get together, got to. Come on, honey, you get along home. I'll be there in just a little while. You see, I gotta go out in this car with these people and get up. Get together one more time. Get together one more time. Get together one more time. Get Get together just one more time. I done ran into my baby and finally found my old blue jean. I done ran into my baby and finally found my old blue jean. I could tell that day was mine from the oil and the gasoline. If I ever get back my blue jeans, Lord, how happy could one man be? If I ever get back my blue jeans, Lord, how happy could one man be? Cause if I get back